Hey, what's up, guys? Um, I've started building a tool for Final IK. I find myself setting that up a lot, not just for myself and projects I'm working on, but stuff that I'm asked to set up by other people, or with or without pay. But I find myself doing the same thing over and over again. So a couple nights ago, I'm like, I should probably just write a tool to automate most of it. And this is where it's at now. Usually you'll have to go. You get your avatar. I've already brought in an avatar. Let's just drop them in there. I'm using VRF on this, and I'm actually also building it for XR Interaction Toolkit, since I use it quite a bit as well. Not much in the past year, but I have in the past. So, okay, so this is how it works. You can either make this a child or not. I usually make it a child or the player controller. And basically just come to the center eye anchor. I like to make new transforms, so just create an empty, and I'm going to call this head target. And then I'm going to come down to my models left. Now the reason I do this and I make a child of models left is because the way the parenting of the gravables works with the hands. This gives me one-to-one movement for two-handed objects, as well as So if I parent the target to the gun, then my hand will move one-to-one with it. So if the gun hits like a table or something like that, the hand will stay with it. It won't move with my controller. It'll be kind of physics. Anyway, so come down to the right-hand target and create another empty. We'll call this right-hand target. Okay. That's basically all I got to do. So I've created this tool. I've already imported Final IK. I'm obviously using VR Interaction Framework. About the only thing I've got left to add to this for the automation part is probably Grounder. I may set it up for it to go ahead and set up hand animation. I was also looking at hand targeting again that I haven't used in a long time. I may set it up as an option for a build where you can set it up for the hand targeting, so you can use the hand poses that come with VR Interaction Framework for your full body avatar. The thing about this is, just set this up. Got to get my target avatar, my head target, which I already assigned, and my left hand target, and my right hand target. And then my animation controller, I'm going to use the VRIK animated locomotion. This comes with Final IK. Do I want to use Y offset correction? Yes, I do, because I'm using VR Interaction Framework. And do I want to shrink the head so that it's not visible? Yes, I do. So that's pretty much all you got to do. If I'm on my avatar, you'll see, boom, it sets everything up for me. Everything down to the animation curves for the stretch curve for the arm MIP. So when you're pushing your arm out, you get a little bit of stretch before you get separation between what you're holding and your controller, so you don't get any separation. I'm using the emulator right now, but you'll notice that everything will be lined up. It even set my transforms position and rotation for me. Now this is for Mixamo, so sometimes your avatars will be different, so I can't really validate for this, but I plan on sharing this for free. A lot of people have trouble with setting up avatars with Final IK when they first get started, and this is a tool where you can just obviously just assign three things. I'm going to add Grounder to it with a bool, so you can decide if you want it or not, and then share it for free. So literally that's as easy as it's going to be. Just make three transforms, do your assignments, hit set it up, and there you go, off to the races. Because I really got tired of manually setting all that stuff up all the time, so I decided to make a tool. If you find that interesting, comment below. Let me know what you think I should add to it, or maybe some other tools I should build. I'm really trying to automate my life, because I find myself doing the same things over and over and over and over again. Anyway, Cheers. Thanks for listening.